the candidate for the gubernatorial candidate for the APC. Sir, CP, thank you very much of very, very, very core importance to the development of Rivers State. And that has to do with peace and security, if we ever want investment in Rivers State. I have two questions, sir. The first, you touched on the last communique and those who did not sign, and then you said that we have to sign another communique again. If we have signed one, why do we need to sign another? Might it not be better to just ask those who did not sign to come and sign? Maybe you might like to tell us who has not signed. Secondly, and this, I think most political parties here might agree with this. What is the position of the police force on Executive Order 20? I think at the end of the day, it's designed to stop us from campaigning, and it's designed to stop us from having access to people. It can be provocative. I know that we have been holding people back, our members back from this. What is the position of Executive Order 20? So we know how to deal with it. Thank you.
The first question was, in the last meeting, a communique was signed by some people. Why are we signing another one? Yes, when ordinarily we shouldn't be signing another copy of that communique, matter of fact. But if you did sign the first one, when you see this one, you will know that there have been a lot of changes. Like that one, there were signing parties. And I said, no, people should sign with their names and the offices they run. So that is why we are setting aside the other one and bringing this one. What is the position of the police in respect of Executive Order 21? In a state or in a country, there are three arms of government: the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. And in every democratic environment, there is separation of powers and checks and balances. And that is why sometimes people have to approach the court to challenge a particular order. So I want to believe that we are not competent to challenge that order in court. Remember, even when you abuse me as a person, the rules do not permit me to react in the public. Even if you have abused me in the public now, I can't react in my capacity as the Commissioner of Police. The police enforces laws. But we must be mindful of one thing, that we will not allow ourselves to be put at the forefront of agitations. So we are saying the executive order has been passed. If we feel aggrieved, if we feel it's inconsistent or runs variance with what we have as tenants, I think the first thing we need to do is to approach the courts. Now, the Omuma incident, already 12 persons are in custody in connection with that incident. 12 persons are already in detention in connection with that incident. And as soon as investigations are completed, I'm sure it will make public. But we are still investigating. As the names are thrown up, we are following them. Perhaps we would have arrested more persons, but we discovered that as soon as that incident happened, most of those persons who participated in the incident went underground. And so now luckily we've been able to pick 1 or 2 persons initially, and by the use of technology, we are spreading the drugnet, so more persons are coming in. So I'm sure the next 2-3 days, we should be able to bring in everybody who has participated remotely or otherwise in that incident.